The other 4 respondents are the members of PTI. So neither the Federation nor any other body has been impleaded as a respondent. If the Election Commission of Pakistan can be sued in the Peshawar High Court but has no right to appeal a judgment of the Peshawar High Court, that means that whatever has happened in their case is final.
Why did they array these individuals as part?
My lord, because they were the members and who were complaining that the elections were not held fairly and were not held in accordance with the constitution of the party.
They had filed a complaint with you?
With the Election Commission, yes, my lord. There were 14 complaints before there were 14 complaints before the Election Commission.
When? 14 complaints?
My lord, yes.
But here there are only... sorry, there are... okay, I thought there was only... So, can you... These names are what?
Yes,
Raja Tahir Nawaz, Akbar S. Ahmed.
Yes.
These are members of PTI or they are some other people?
Yes, my lord.
Troublemakers.
They are members of
parties.
So...
No, are they other party people or are they PTI people?
They are PTI people according to us.
Okay.
My lord...
My lord, I represent respondent number 10, Akbar Babar, just in case.
Akbar Babar?
Respondent number 10.
He's now respondent number 10.
Ji.
Okay.
I filed my...
were they before the... they were before the High Court?
I had filed a complaint.
Respondent number 3.
Wrongly claimed they being members.
My complaint is a...
Sorry, एक second. Khan Sahab क्या कह रहे हैं? Khan Sahab, can you just speak in the mic? There, your mic there or mic here?
Yes, sir. What I am submitting, they claim, the election commission is saying that the other respondents are the members of the party. They are not. That's
okay. चलें. इनका कहना है कि they're not members. Can we show us their complaint? Any one complaint?
One of the complainants before your lordship, he was respondent number 3.
दिखाएं वो अकबर एस अहमद की दिखा दें.
230 at page 230, part 1 of this paperwork.
230.
This was a complaint, my lord, and the context on the next page, if I may, on 231, there's a title summary of electoral fraud. In the absence of basic rules of any elections that allows a level playing field to contestants as detailed above.
आपका इसमें membership का कहाँ लिखा है पहले वो बताएं ना कि मतलब how you have claimed to file any right of this complaint.
Well, Lord, the issue of my membership has been in court before the SCP for the ECPCs 214.
नाम के नीचे देखें क्या लिखा है आपने. इसमें लिखा है अपने फाउंडिंग मेंबर ऑफ पीटीआई.
जी बिल्कुल.
इसका जवाब इन्होंने दिया.
जी मैं गुजारिश कर रहा हूँ कि मेरी मेंबरशिप तो ये कंटेस्ट करते रहे, लेकिन
नहीं इसका जवाब किधर है इनका.
ये कहते हैं कि आप मेंबर नहीं हैं.
Where is it? Where is the reply? Where is the reply?
They did not respond to my complaint. There is no written reply to my complaint. It was only argued verbally by counsel.
See, verbally, factual things cannot be verbally argued. So.
Your Honor, I am not aware of any written reply to my complaint that was filed before the ECP.
But he's given a number of things. If you can read the different...
Mr. Akbar S. Babar has been a founding member of the PTI and he has held office within the party.
Please read what it is, don't argue. Please read on 232 under his signature.
His address, his cell number, founding member of PTI, founding president of PTI Balochistan, former Central Information Secretary of PTI, former Vice President PTI Media and Information Management, former member PTI CEC and Core Committee.
Answer, so how can you say he's not a member? He has given not one, You may not like him as a different thing.
They have all ceased to be members and they are wrongly claiming themselves to be members just to create problems for the party.
Let's not become emotional. We respect you greatly, but where is the negation of this fact?
That we certainly will show before this honorable court.
Is there anything on the record to show? Did you respond by saying that these persons have nothing to do with PTI?
मेरी गुजारिश ये है कि I am representing the party. The statement of the party should take precedence over what they are saying. Just making allegations, making claims.
But the whole thing,
unfounded claims.
Answer, एक second. They can say we are representing the party. Again, just to claim that it will not do anything, because who represents the party is who gets elected as per your own constitution. It's nothing to do with the election commission, it's nothing to do with the Supreme Court, it's your own constitution. So you can't say, I represent the party. That is the very essence of the matter, which they're saying you do not represent the party. It's because there is no election or false elections or whatever election. This is the allegation, maybe a false allegation, but you can't simply say you nobody. Unless you say when show us the proof you are not founding member of PTI. Was he a founding member of PTI?
I'm not saying that party has ceased to exist.
Was he a founding member of PTI or not? But there, then prima facie the burden shifts on you.
Burden shift about no.
इसमें तो आपने इनको एक्सपेल किया तो उसका कोई खत है?
आपने इनको निकाल दिया पार्टी से या उनका रेजिग्नेशन आएगा? देखिए दो तरीके होते हैं ना, या तो आदमी कहे जी मैं जा रहा हूँ खुदा हाफिज, या आप उसको एक्सपेल करेंगे, ठीक है, तो और पता नहीं कोई और तरीका हो सकता है।
फाउंडिंग मेंबर है, फाउंडिंग मेंबर तो मेरे हिसाब से खत्म ही नहीं होता बिकॉज ही इज ए फाउंडिंग मेंबर। अगर फिर भी आपने एक्सपेल किया है तो उसका कोई लेटर होगा या उन्होंने रिजाइन किया है तो भी लेटर होगा। इवन देन जो स्टैट्यूट हो गए ना उस फाउंडिंग मेंबर में नाम हमेशा रहता है उसका, वो फाउंडिंग मेंबर है।
Has he joined some other
opting member?
Has he joined some other political party?
वो एक और एस्पेक्ट है, कौन फाउंडिंग मेंबर है कौन सब्सिक्वेंट।
वो तो बात की बात है ना।
क्वेश्चन यहाँ पर
साहब, were you one of the founding members?
जी,
Were you one of the founding members? Are you one of the founding members yourself?
आप भी थे फाउंडिंग मेंबर?
Yes, I am a founding member.
कितने founding members थे?
That has
Total founding members कितने थे?
founding members we were about 12 of us.
जी?
About 12, 8 to 12. Yes.
Do you have a list of those names somewhere? Just make a note of it. You can respond later. Challenge. Yes, continue, Mr. Muhammad Khan.
My lord, may I add that on page 486 of this is part 3 in this, there is an order of the election commission that 486.
नहीं, आप ऑर्डर छोड़ नहीं, कोई छोटी बात है बताएं बेटा।
Question of membership has been determined by the commission as far back as 2017. This was contested. 486.
कौन सा पार्ट है?
Third.
Part 3.
486. जी
ये मेरी जो कंप्लेंट है इसके साथ मैंने दो ऑर्डर लफ्ज किए।
पढ़े, read the relevant part.
Paragraph 12.
What is 486? Where does it start from?
My lord, it is an excerpt from an order of the election commission dated May 8th, 2017, which disposed
8th May 2017.
Which disposed of the issue whether Akbar S. Babar is a member of the party or not. And relevant para 12, I will read, the above reproduction of the letter of ouster is of significance. It clearly reveals that the petitioner had been relieved from all party positions and responsibilities. There is not an iota of reference to the effect that he has been ousted from the party and the membership thereof. Apart from the letter dated 3rd September 2011 mentioned above, the respondent could not produce any letter, direction or order whereby the petitioner is removed from the membership of the party. It was neither produced till the last arguments nor till the announcement of the order.
ये membership अभी बाकी है, ये जो positions थी उनसे relief किया, ये आप कहना चाहते हैं?
Apologies, my lord.
मतलब my lord is saying he no longer holds position in the party, but he does membership. He continues to be.
Yes, my lord.
Still intact.
Was this order challenged by anybody?
It was. They filed a writ petition before the Islamabad High Court, and on page 487 is an excerpt of that order.
487 पे तो नहीं, 487
ये मेरी कॉपी में
उर्दू में कुछ लिखा है नहीं।
487 my lord is
एक हाथ के लिखा हुआ है 487 और एक वो है।
Unfortunately, the copy that I have वो इतनी legible नहीं है, तो I seek permission.
ये कौन सा पेज है?
487।
देखिए ये 487 पे ये चीज है।
487 पे तो लिखा है बैरिस्टर गौहर अली खान अपने पूरे पैनल समेत बिला मुकाबला कामयाब हो गए हैं।
ये तो उनका कोई वो है, इसमें देखिए 2 नंबरिंग है, 487/49।